Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you another new testnet airdrop, and the project is called Arc Network. This project is part of the Circle ecosystem, or you can say it's backed by Circle. Circle already has around 2.22 billion in funding. So Arc Network is basically a fast layer 1 blockchain by Circle, made for stablecoin payments and trading using USDC as gas with built-in FX and privacy features. If you want, you can visit their website for more details. If you visit their X profile, you'll notice they have 52k followers right now, and in their pinned post they shared the update about their testnet going live. Before joining, if you still haven't joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description so you can check it out. To participate in the testnet, first you need to come to this page. I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description. After landing here, first you need to claim faucet tokens. You will see Arc Testnet written there. Just enter your wallet address, go to your MetaMask or any EVM wallet, copy your address, paste it and click send USDC. Once done, you need to visit this testnet page. I'll also provide the link in the description. Now here on the right side, you'll see the wallet connect option. Click on it. Then choose your wallet. Connect it. And you're ready to go. After that, scroll down a bit and here you'll see the Arc Testnet option. Tap on switch network, then approve the request. And the Arc network will be added automatically. Then you'll find a few tasks to do. For example, there's one called send good morning. Click on it. You can do this only after claiming faucet tokens. Confirm the transaction. This helps maintain a daily streak. Next, you'll find contract deployer. Tap on it. Then scroll down and click on simple. Then click on deploy contract. Then confirm the transaction and done. Next, click on token. Here you can deploy this token, or you can also create your custom token. For example, choose your name, then select your symbol and click on deploy contract. Then confirm and it's done. Next, click on the NFT option. Here you can deploy this NFT or also create a custom one as well. Basically, these are the main interactions to perform. So in this counter section, there's nothing to do but click on memorial NFT. You can mint one if you have test tokens. So click on mint. Then confirm. And it's done. Most of your activities will be complete after doing this. After that, make sure to log in daily and click on the good morning streak and maybe deploy a contract once every week or two. Finally, click on referral system and here you'll find your referral link which you can share with your friends. And that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.